go back and check, as and taking it on from Ishkaran, the parties that happened on 8th and the various socio-political celebrities that had their birthdays on the 8th, the so-called parties have stories and photographs and tweets and tagging to almost to a level of every 5 minutes. But none of the parties had these pictures either on the 8th or on the 13th. In fact, I will go ahead and say that a lot of socio-political celebrities who had their birthdays and their parties on the 13th actually went ahead and deleted a lot of Bollywood tweets from the Twitter handle. Now, aren't all of this suspicious?
Yeah,
aren't they
Nitesh
just,
also.
coming together? Every single person.
Very important circumstantial evidence. Nitesh has been wanting to come in. Yes, Nitesh, you're listening on to this. Now look at how Nitesh's explanation of what Rohan told him matches this. Yes, Nitesh.
Arnab, it's a clear murder. It's not a suicide. And one more thing I have to tell you very clearly. The provisional postmortem report was done on the 11th of June. Generally, the detailed postmortem report comes in 3 months. That is the procedure. So June, July, August, and now we are towards the mid of September, towards the 20th of September. Imagine on the 4th month, the detailed postmortem report has not even been released of Disha Salian. So this is a very systematic way to hide things. And obviously there is something happened on the 8th night and there was an assault on her, and that is why the flow of events, what you see after that, the disappearance of Rohan Rai, the calling of on 100 number, and her going into a panic mode, her calling a London friend. This is obviously a clear case of murder. This cannot be a suicide, and that is why Rohan Rai is absconding. Rohan Rai disappeared. And that is why he was scared when he told me.
Rahul,
it is very clear.
What did he tell you?
I don't even know why
you?
are we even discussing and why are we even
what did he tell you?
Can
I point out?
He clearly said that there is something.
Let him complete. Nitesh, what did he say?
Happened wrong.
What did he say, Nitesh?
Obviously, he said that there is something that wrong happened to her on the 8th. That is something wrong that happened to her to the 8th June night party, which had completely shattered her, and that is why he said that he was so fearing to even mention it to anyone else. He was so scared. If it was a clear case of suicide where his fiancée had suicided, he would have said that it is a suicide, Nitesh ji. Obviously, there is nothing wrong. And I will stay in Mumbai and I live my normal life. Obviously, I'm sad that my fiancée died, but it is a suicide. Obviously, he is not saying that. He is not even the picture. And according to what the doctor has said, it is a clear case of murder. I don't even know why we were discussing and why we were arguing with each other. किसने कभी बोला, इन्होंने पहले क्यों नहीं बोला, बाद में अरे लड़की की जान गई है. She and they have assaulted her before that. And she has thrown her away, and we are discussing here what kind of a country are we living in?